Yo, what is up, gamers? It's your boy SJ, and we are breakdown ready because Epic just dropped the absolute holy grail of dev updates at the 2026 State of Unreal. If you've been baiting your engine choice lately, pull up a chair, because this stream completely resets the meta and proves exactly why staying locked into the Unreal ecosystem is a massive winning matchup. Let's look at the exact frame data on the biggest tech that just dropped, and how it's about to change how we build games forever. Unreal Engine 5.8, breaking no limits. First up, let's talk about what is hitting the engine right now in the brand new Unreal Engine 5.8 update. Epic is completely attacking development bottlenecks with three massive features. Mesh terrain. We are finally moving completely beyond old-school flat-type maps. The engine now uses full 3D manipulation for landscapes. That means you can seamlessly sculpt overhangs, tunnels, and floating islands right into the terrain. If you're building a layered 2.5D action-adventure platformer, this is a total cheat code for creating complex vertical stage layouts without being restricted by rigid grid. Megalights. This is a mind-blowing lighting overhaul. The tech allows you to drop thousands of dynamic shadow casting lights into a scene at a completely fixed performance cost. We saw Gears of War E-Day showcase this live, proving you can get hyper-realistic lighting in real time without ever having to waste hours baking lights again. MetaHuman Animator. No mocap suit. No problem. Epic just dropped a markerless motion capture plugin. You can literally take standard video from a regular camera or phone, feed it in, and it will automatically animate a character's face, body, and hands. The AI revolution. The MCP server. Now, if you are a solo developer heavily relying on AI to speed up your pipeline, this next feature is going to completely change your daily grind. Unreal Engine 5.8 has officially integrated an MCP server, a model context protocol bridge built directly into the editor. You can link it up to an LLM like Claude or Gemini, and the AI can actually read your scene graph, browse your asset library, and execute changes inside the engine. You can literally prompt the AI to furnish a room, lay out a city district, or generate blueprint logic. For example, you can tell it to create a proximity-triggered hazard zone with flashing lights and rising steam. The AI will go into the graphs, wire up the material instances, handle the Niagara particle parameters, and connect the blueprint logic for you. It takes a process that used to be days of cross-discipline back and forth, and compresses it into a few minutes of iteration. You aren't stuck with a flat AI-generated image. You get real, editable 3D geometry and working scripts. The endgame Unreal Engine 6 announced, but Epic wasn't done. They gave us our very first look at the future with Unreal Engine 6, which is targeting an early access launch in late 2027. Epic is shifting their focus away from just chasing flashier graphics and putting all their power into the core engine architecture. The biggest news, UE5 and the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, UEFN, are officially merging into a single, unified ecosystem. Build your project once in UE6, and you can deploy it as a standalone console game, a mobile title, or launch it directly into a massive shared ecosystem. To pull this off, they are introducing Verse, Daisy, a next-generation gameplay programming language. Verse features a unique software transactional memory model. Basically, code runs as atomic transactions. If a character tries to move and hits a collision error, the runtime completely rolls back the transaction instantly and pretends it never happened, preventing game-breaking hitches. Plus, to handle the massive file sizes of modern game development, Epic built a brand new, binary first-version control system from scratch called Lore, and they've released it completely open source under an MIT license, so the whole industry can audit and extend it. The winning matchup. The takeaway from this showcase is loud and clear. The technical friction of making games is getting wiped out. Whether you are leveraging AI to build out massive folklore worlds, or utilizing markerless mocap to bring characters to life, the tools are scaling directly down to the creator. The future of development is looking absolutely lethal. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Are you jumping straight into that new MCP AI, prompting to test out some level generation? Until next time, keep grinding, keep labbing, and I'll see you in the next bracket. Let's go.